Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw some basic survey plans, and we are going to do some survey plan using this kind of surveyors units for survey plan number 1. And for the survey plan number 2, we are going to use another or different kind of units, something like this. You can see according to this particular survey plan 1, it uses surveyors units like this that contains north and west and east for its angular element here. But for survey plan number 2, it uses the units of it involves the degree, minute and seconds elements of the angle parameter here. So this shows that sometimes if you want to draw a survey plan, you have to really look at what kind of surveyors units you're using. So we are going to attempt to do this first, and after that we are going to perform another survey plan using this kind of units. So the difference is this kind of units use a decimal angular degree, right, that contains the north and west, north and east. But this type of surveying units is kind of different because it uses degree, minute, and also seconds at its parameter. So if you want to draw the survey plan number 1 using this kind of surveyors units, you must first set your units of your AutoCAD. So you're going to type UNITS, enter. So I'm going to change my decimal length here to meter because we are drawing something like a lot or a title boundary, a property lot or a title boundary for this survey plan. So I'm going to change this to meter since the length is quite large. So I'm going to change this to meter, and I'm going to change my angle to surveyors units. So if you go and look upon the direction of these units, you can see east. East is actually meant for 0 degree. Okay, so let it be maintained by using the base angle as east or your 0 degree. Alright, then click OK. Alright, so I just changed this and also this. Okay, and click OK. So if I were to look upon to the coordinates here, alright, so basically by drawing the survey plan number 1, I may start at any starting point. So I'm just going to click L and press enter. So I'm going to start somewhere here as my first point. So my second point, so I will refer back to my note here. Second point is a relative coordinate. So relative meaning that there is a notation here. So it actually is a displacement or a comparison of distance from its initial point. So this one is alias or at 455.899. So I'm going to type it now. At 455.899 angle with the angle symbol. And 33.452 north, 33.452 west, right? West. So I'm going to type here as west. So I'm just following the coordinates given in this note. So this is alias 455.899. So you can double check here. Alias 455.899 angle north 33.452 north 33.452 west. So and then you press enter. Alright, so notice that the line is going this way on the northwest direction here. So let's look upon to the next coordinate. So I'll just open my notepad again. So for the next point is at or relative coordinate alias 588.746. So you're going to type here alias or at symbol 588.746.746 angle north 57.678 east. So I'm going to type north here and 57.678 is 678 east. Alright, and then I'll press enter again. So you can see this particular line is moving to the northeast direction. Alright, so to speed up the process, I'm going to just copy all the other coordinates by selecting from my notepad here. Go to edit copy and open up my AutoCAD. Click here, right click and paste it and press enter. So this is actually at 389.545 angle south 66.784 east. So in this particular line it is moving on southeast direction. Alright, and then I will go to the next point here, select it, click edit copy and minimize this. Click here, right click here and paste it. Alright, press enter. As for this, it is alias 322.367 as its length, and the angle is south 88.459 east. So it is still moving to the southeast direction. And I will copy this particular coordinate. Click edit copy, go here, click here, right click paste. Alright, as for this, the length of this coordinate is at 688.654. The angle is south 23.744 west. So in this particular case, it is moving southwest. Press enter. So you get something like this. And for the last coordinate is alias 656.407, angle north 81.472 west. So in this particular case, it is moving northwest direction. So this is its length of a line. So I'm going to type alias here, type alias. The length is 656.407 with an angle of north 81.472 west. So I just type here W. So this particular line will move to northwest direction and close this particular area here. Alright, I press escape. So if you want to note down something here with a label, you can do that by typing text. You can enter text command here by typing T, enter. Alright, and just click here and click here. You can type it as maybe as B1. Select this text, click and drag to select it. Enter its height, maybe around 50 meters, sorry. Press enter. Select here, type 50. Press backspace here, press enter. So I got my first label here and I can move it close to this particular point. And I can copy this, type CO, enter. Select this particular text, press enter. Click this particular point as its base point and displace it to its respective destination. So if you want to terminate this, you can just press escape. And if you want to edit all the other text, you can just go ahead and double click on the text, change this to 2, click outside here, double click on this text, change to 3, double click on this text, right, change to 4, right, double click on this text, change to 5. Double click on this text, you can change to B6. So I've actually drawn this particular lot, property lot, or something like a title boundary by using this sort of coordinates. So we are going to call this coordinate as surveyor's units, because surveyor's units coordinates, they'll use something like this as its angular dimension. As for survey plan number 2, it will use a different kind of units. It will use the degree, minute, second parameter to enter its particular dimension. So I'm going to draw this particular survey plan number 2 right now, based on this particular survey plan printed here. Okay, but I've already extracted all the particular coordinates, so easier for me to actually refer to. So you can see on this survey plan, right, the starting point has an easting of 491,550.734 easting, or its X position, and for its northing or Y positioning is 158,076.749 meter. So this particular parameter, right, is in degree, minute, and seconds. So if you want to draw this sort of survey plan, you must first change your units. UNITS, enter. Right? You got to change, because the particular lines are all indicated in meters, so just maintain using meters for its units. And the angle, I'm going to change it into degree, minute, seconds. I'm going to check this for a clockwise orientation of the angle orientation, and I'm going to click direction and set my north as my base angle. Alright, and then I click OK. Click OK. Click OK. So this is the settings for us to actually attempt to draw the survey plan number 2. Alright, which has a starting point of 491,550.734 meters, 158,076.749 meters. So 491,550.734 meters represent its easting or X coordinate. 158,076.749 meter represent its northing or its Y positioning coordinate. So we are going to click line, or you can just type L, enter, right? For its first point or its initial point, you can just enter this particular coordinate. Alright, 491,550. So I'm going to type it as 491,550, comma, point 734. So you can double check this particular value on this notepad. So it is 491,550. So you can counter check again here, 491,550.734.734, comma 158,076. So I'm going to type 158,076.749. So I'm going to type 749. Alright, you can check this particular coordinate also on its printed survey plan here. So this is indicated 491,550, 491,550.734. So 0.734. As for this is 158,076. So 158,076.749. So all these particular units are in meters. So I'm going to type. I'm going to press enter now to input this coordinate. So this coordinate will be noted here, will be marked here as my geo reference point, as its initial point. So for the next coordinate is this. Alright, at 79.11 meter, angle 49 degree 59 minutes. This particular coordinate, right, is taken out from the survey plan here by looking at this particular measurement here, 79.11 meter, angle 49 degree 59 seconds. If you wish to enter this, you can enter this in relative coordinate format. So don't forget to enter the @ or alias symbol. So I'm going to type alias symbol first, and then I'm going to type 79.11 as its length, and for its angle, right, I'm going to input the symbol angle there, 79.11, and the angle is actually 49 degree, so I'm going to type 49D. Alright, 49D. You can accurately type it as a small letter D. 49D 59 minutes. So I'm going to type 59 minutes and just hit the apostrophe symbol for minutes notation. Alright, so you can counter check this. Alias 79.11, 79.11, 49D 59 minutes. So 49D 59 minutes. So you just press enter after you have typed the input coordinate there. So you can see the coordinates marked over here. So for the next coordinate, to speed up the process, I'm just gonna copy all this coordinate by selecting this, go to edit copy, and go back here, click in this command, right click here and paste it. So you can counter check this also on the printed plan here. This one is alias 244.10 meter. So alias 244.10 meter, and its angular dimension is 134 degree, 14 minutes. So 14 minutes. Alright, stated here, right? So I just got to backspace this meter measurement here. Alright, and press enter, and I'll get the dimension already. Okay, it will look something like this. It goes straight up, straight down like this. Okay, goes straight down like this. And for the next line is 79.2 meter with an angle of 230 degree 35 minutes. So I'm gonna enter this now. Alright, so I'm gonna type alias here. The length is 79.2 meters, so I'm going to type alias 79.2 meters with an angle of 230 degree. So I'm going to type 230 degree D 35 minutes. So I'm going to type 35 minutes here with an apostrophe symbol there. So you can counter check this, you can double check this on my notepad. This is at 79.2 meter, 79.2 meter angle, 230 degree 35 minutes, 230 degree 35 minutes. So I'm gonna press enter now to proceed with this particular line. For the next particular point is I'm gonna look upon to the survey plan again. So this is 99.02 meters. So you're gonna type alias 99.02 meters. Angle. The angle is 319 degree. So you're gonna type 319 degree D and 35 minutes. So you're gonna type 35 apostrophe for its minutes parameter. So you can counter check this coordinate first on the notepad. So I'm going to check this at 99.02 meters. This is at 99.02 meters with an angle of 319D 35 minutes. 319D 35 minutes. And go ahead and press enter now to proceed. For the rest of the point, right, is this part here. The length is 144.98 meters. So I'm going to type alias or at symbol, at or alias symbol, 144.98, 144.98 as its length, and with the notation of the angle symbol with 310 degree. So I'm going to type 310 degree now, 310D. All right, and 36 minutes. 36 minutes, like that. So you can counter check this at my notepad here. This is at 144.98, right? 144.98 with the notation of the angle symbol 310D 36 minutes. 310D 36 minutes. So you can just go ahead and press enter there. Okay. Okay, you have particularly formed all this line in order for you to create a particular property lot or the title boundary. Alright, you can also use a polyline to trace back. Alright, to trace back all these particular lines. You can just use polyline to trace this back. Click this, click this, click this, click this. Right, you can see if you use a polyline, right, all the lines are joined together. Alright, so let's say if I delete this polyline, you can see this is my original line, which are broken apart, broken into its own elements. So if you wish to like digital trace this, you can use polyline to digital trace this particular lot or title boundary by using a polyline. Just click polyline here and retrace back your lot. Okay, and you can see when you press escape here, right, and go ahead and press the line again, you can see all the lines are joined together like this. You can also join all the lines, the original lines which you have created earlier by using boundary command. You can just type BO enter. Alright, click pick points and click inside this area to actually bound the area of this lot. Alright, so you can see using boundary command also can actually digital trace an area which you have constructed using just a line. So if you want to know the total area of this particular lot, you can use the list command. Type LI enter. Click this particular list command. Select the digital trace here and press enter. You can see this is the total area calculated by the computer, 18055. You can counter check this value again on the printed survey plan here. So you can see it is approximately 18000 square meters. So you're going to check it again. Alright, LI enter. So you can see the area, total area calculated. Total area calculated by the list command. Alright, 1800. Right, counter check here again. Alright, you can consider it's not that accurate, but it is an approximation, so you know all the coordinates matches because you have calculated area by the AutoCAD list command is an approximation to this particular value. So 18060, but inside the AutoCAD we actually got it as 18050, so it is an approximation, so no worries there. Alright, so this is 18055. So approximately to 18060 as indicated in this particular survey plan over here. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to actually generate a point here by using a point command. I'm going to type PO enter now to generate a point here. Okay, you can see that I've already generated a point here, and I'm going to type PO again to generate more points. Here, type PO again to generate points, and click here. Type PO, enter, and click here to generate a point there. If you wish to change the type of points, or you want to scale up this particular point, you can use point or P type command to do that. So I'm going to type P type. Under P type command, you can increase your scale of your point size, and you can choose any type of points which you prefer. So I'm going to stick to this particular point style, and I'm going to still use this particular size, 5.0. Alright, so I'm going to still use this particular value and use this particular style, this point style. Click OK. Alright, let's say I'm going to build a text here, okay, to note the easting and northing of this particular point. So how to do that? So I can type T, enter, to generate text in order for me to build a label. Alright, so this is my text. Right, so if I wish to output this point coordinate, so I just have to right click on this particular text area and choose insert field. Alright, and then okay, you can see this has the field names, and this part has the object type. You just click this particular button to select object and go ahead and select the point itself here. Okay, after selecting the point, you can choose the positioning of that point. And let's say you want to output the X, Y, Z positioning. So you can just go ahead and just check this X and Y. Alright, and uncheck the Z positioning and click OK. So AutoCAD will actually insert the coordinate points or the coordinate labels on your drawing. So I'm going to select all of this, right? And I'm going to just choose 5, right? 5 meter as its text height. Alright, so I'm going to get this. Okay, so I'm going to change this text location here. So you can counter check back this particular value, right? This particular value matches with my starting point, which is 491,550.734 for my easting. So you can double check this. 491,550.734 is my easting, and 1,58076.749 is my northing. Alright, you can counter check this value. Okay, 1,58076.749. So this particular point also for my X and Y, or my easting and northing, is also stated on my survey plan here. So this is 491,550.743. 734 is my easting or my X coordinate. So this is 1,58076.749 as my northing or my Y coordinate. Alright, so we got that actually. Okay, so we want to build another text here. So just type T, enter, and click here and click here. Alright, if you want to insert fields of the X and Y positioning, you can just right click in this text area, choose insert field. Okay, notice that this one is initially currently selected as object. Just click this button to select an object type. Click on this point to select the object type and choose position, and make sure you just choose the X and Y, because you want to output this only without the Z positioning. So just check this and check the X and check the Y. Click OK. So the coordinates for this particular point is inserted in your drawing. So I'm going to select this, everything, select all this, and I'm gonna type 5 and backspace the other points there. Press enter to set my text height as 5 meters. Alright, sometimes, right, you'll notice your text label has a gray background on the particular label. Like for me, I will already change it under my options here. Let's say I type options OP, enter for my options, and I just go to user preferences. Alright, so for default, right, by original setting, AutoCAD will display background or fields. Click OK. Something like this. So if you wish to disable that, you can always type OP, enter for option command, choose user preferences, and just uncheck this display background or fields and click OK. Alright. Okay. So I hope this particular tutorial gave you a picture, a good understanding of how to build a survey plan and how to manipulate all these coordinates and how to change your settings first before you start attempting to enter or input all of these coordinates. So my name is Izzuddin Osman, and thank you for watching.